Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Parashar. Welcome to my channel Biology 360. Today I'm going to discuss the topic binomial nomenclature. The topic is important for students studying in ICSE, CBSE, IGCSE and HSC board, and for students preparing for NEET and different Olympiad exams and competitive exams. In taxonomy, binomial nomenclature is also called as binary nomenclature, is a formal system of naming species of living things by giving each a name composed of two parts. So in binomial nomenclature, we name any living organism in two parts. It's a formal system of naming an organism. Binomial nomenclature is also called as binary nomenclature. The first part of the name is the generic name. It identifies the genus to which the species belong. Whereas the second part is the specific name, which identifies the species within the genus. So as I mentioned, in binomial nomenclature, we name any organism in two parts. So the first part is called as the generic name. And this generic name, it identifies the genus of an organism. And the second part is called as the species name or the specific name. It identifies the species. Generic epithet is a simple noun. It should come first and begin with capital letter. So we always write the generic name in capital letters and it always comes first. Specific epithet is the descriptive adjective which should come later and begin with a small letter. So this is a main difference. While writing the binomial nomenclature, the generic name or the first part should always be in capital letter and the specific name or the species name, it should come second and it should be in small letter. Scientific epithet must be underlined separately if handwritten and must be printed in italics. The generic and specific epithet should not have less than 3 letters and more than 13 letters. So there are certain rules that we have to follow while writing the binomial nomenclature. So in this slide, I have also mentioned the different rules that we have to remember while writing the binomial nomenclature. The generic and specific name, it should not be less than 3 letters and it should not be more than 13 letters. The formal introduction of the system of naming species is credited to Carl Linnaeus, effectively beginning with his work Species Plantarum in 1753. So this binomial nomenclature system, it was given by Carl Linnaeus. The name of the person is very important. Students should know the name of the person. Many times students get MCQs to identify the name of the person who started the binomial nomenclature. Usually, the name of the author who names a plant or animal is also written in full or abbreviated form after scientific name. For example, Mangifera indica L, where L stands for Linnaeus. So we can also write down the name of the author who has named a particular plant or an animal. For example, in this example, I have given the binomial nomenclature of a mango. It is Mangifera indica L, where L denotes the Linnaeus. Here are certain examples of binomial nomenclature, like for example, Escherichia coli, Homo sapiens, it's a binomial name for human, Equus caballus, binomial name for horse, Felis catus, binomial name for cat, Bos taurus, binomial name for cow. Students can find large number of binomial nomenclature of different animals, plants and microorganisms as well. Students, do subscribe to my channel Biology 360 and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications about the latest biology videos. Also, please mention the comments in the comment box as well. Thank you.